Hello everybody, and here is my 4351 Windsor, which was running great until recently, but now I need help from you guys. The boat runs okay on small RPM, but after I open throttle more, it runs for about half a minute and then the engine starts pulsing, RPM jumping, and it dies after that, if not to release the throttle. Here I released the throttle and it calmed down. But if to try to gain more speed, it does like that again. I have checked fuel pump already. It was okay, then I checked filter which is inside here and it was also okay. Now I've got this Holley Performance Carb 8105B. I suspect problem to be inside it. Fortunately, I have no experience with carbs at all, just small ones like chainsaws. So if you guys have personal experience with those, or maybe you know good links or other material where I can find more about them, how to clean and how to tune, I would be happy and would be highly appreciate your help. Please write your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section. I would be happy to hear about it and to know more about it. Thank you in advance.